how to set music share to share devices with everyone or contacts only on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connection, you will see third option is Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth and click on the three dot icon and click on Advanced Settings. After click on Advanced Settings, click on Music Share. After click on Music Share, you will see Share Device here. If you want to set music share to share device with everyone and contacts only, if you want to share device with contacts only, click on contacts only. You will see share device with on contacts only. If you want to share device with everyone, click on everyone. So you will select contacts only and everyone from here. After select, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set music share to share device with everyone or contacts only on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.